Hi everyone. So this is a demo for the fastn UI app that I have been working. So let me quickly walk you through what's the progress like right now. So earlier with the fastn CLI, when you launched it, so without anything, it would print the help text. So I don't have the previous version, but I think you already. I'm gonna assume. You know. But now when you launch fastn with no arguments, it it is set to launch a default package in a native window, right? So as you see, it did a bunch of things. So let me, yeah. So it first, I have set the default package to design system for now. This is just for testing. We will switch it to the Let's OS package that is being developed by iOS. There is a demo in Fast and Contributors channel posted by him. So this is the demo video that you should check out to get a feel of how the native UI will look like. But for testing for now, I am using the design system package. Both have very little difference. So how do you get the help text? So let me close that. Right. So how do you get the help text? So you can explicitly ask for help. Now the help text has changed slightly. So now you can invoke fastn in two ways. You can do fastn and command and do fastn with the package stuff. So I can still do fastn serve. I can hopefully do it with the trees flag, and this is not the correct directory, but I think if I go to fastn.com, I can do fastn serve. Let's do it with offline so that I can show that the plans are on fine as they used to. And yeah, so now you can invoke fastn to launch a UI. You can invoke fastn to launch a subcommand. That's how you do it. You can also provide. So right now, if you provide nothing, the slug is design system. I can provide other slugs, so I can do fastn thread and it says do not find using. I don't know what that means. So design system is working fine. Maybe could be that my package name is something else. So let's try to find other packages. Let's try that I can show you. So I remember we have winters. Yes. um, So I did find winter CS. I don't know why it did not work. Probably something has to do with my package. But yeah, then the this native window is powered by Tauri and it is able to launch arbitrary parcel packages if you give it through the CLI or it launches with a default package which is set to design system for now. Now I have also tried bundling it for Mac. So now you do have a Mac OS bundle. So when I double click on it, it launches with the default package, which is design system. So when you launch it by double clicking on the icon or from the, I don't know, the system launcher, you don't have any way to provide that slug. So in maybe in future, I mean, I don't know why we will do that, but if we have to, we can provide a native settings screen to change that slug. We will have to provide a few settings for how the Fastn app works, but ठीक है, that is for the future. So this is the state of things right now. So this was just a test to see if the Tauri bundling works with our current setup. It does, at least for Mac. Now I'm going to try to bundle the same app for Android. That would be a challenge. And one by one, I will tackle every single one of them. So there is Android, there is iOS, there is we don't really care about Linux because our existing faster release, the CLI variant works just fine for that. But we have to do solve this problem for Windows at least. So we don't know how to shape a Windows UI app. So that would be something. Anyway, so that is the in terms of next step. That is the thing that I'm going to do now. I'm going to build this for every platform, test it, how this works. Because if you notice, when I launch it, uh, right, so it was, I think it was in the background. So macOS did not kill it. So it not only launches the native window, but it also launches the HTTP server in the background, right? So if you're already familiar with fastn, you can launch it. It downloads the package in somewhere from fastn update. Then these log outputs are from fastn server. So there is an HTTP server running in the background, and this native window is helping you browse the contents of that HTTP server, right? So we have to see how this works for mobile phones. That would be an interesting thing to find out. So yeah, this is the demo. This is the state of things right now. The PR is open. You can give feedback. It is at fastnstat/pulse, and this is the PR. So in terms of PR progress, I these things we can take care of them after. Yeah. So this PR would be considered finished if I am able to at least package the current stuff for multiple operating systems. If we are able to do that, then we will focus solely on the business logic and how we are planning to save fast and app and what experiences are we trying to provide with that. So yeah, that's the. Bye.